Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech channel. So friends, today I will talk about Chieftec UNI Series BS-20B-OP case. So friends, Chieftec has announced new mid-tower PC case, the UNI Series BS-20B-OP. This versatile compact case combines modern professional design with practical functionality, making it the perfect solution for home and office environment with a minimal footprint and total volume of less than 20 liters. And the BS-20B-OP ensure that you don't have to sacrifice essential feature for space efficiency. It supports full microATX motherboard, ATX PSU, ultra slim ODD, and even graphics card up to 270 in length, and a timelessly elegant front panel. Feature all relevant connectors including USB Type-C port and hidden air vent, ensure idle airflow. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.